May 2025 just became the most chaotic month in firearms history, and 3 of these guns are already banned before most people know they exist. 10 mind-blowing releases dropped this week, causing absolute pandemonium at gun stores nationwide. Some models are selling out in under 24 hours, while others are so revolutionary, they're making billion-dollar manufacturers panic. The #1 gun is already being called the future of precision shooting. Smash that subscribe button now. Number 10. Canik Mete MC9 LS. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the Canik Mete MC9 LS. And when Canik announced they were completely overhauling their micro-compact platform for 2025, I knew this was going to be something extraordinary. The Turkish manufacturer opened their first U.S. production facility last year, and this latest release proves they're serious about competing with the big players in American markets. When I first got my hands on this pistol at the range, the immediate difference in build quality was obvious. This isn't just another budget option trying to mimic premium features. The MC9 LS features a 3.64-inch barrel that generates significantly more velocity than the standard Micro 9, while maintaining the same concealable footprint that made the original MC9 popular among concealed carry enthusiasts. The capacity has been increased to an impressive 17+1 rounds, which puts it ahead of most competitors in this size category. The enhanced trigger system breaks at exactly 4.5 pounds with minimal over-travel and a crisp reset that rivals pistols costing twice as much. What really caught my attention was the improved slide serrations that provide superior grip even with wet hands, and the ambidextrous controls make this pistol accessible to both left and right-handed shooters. Pros: 17+1 capacity advantage, American manufacturing quality standards, enhanced trigger system performance, ambidextrous controls for all shooters, superior slide serration grip. Cons: limited holster compatibility currently, aggressive texture causes discomfort, higher cost than standard, learning curve for new users, minimal aftermarket support available. Price: retails around $500. Number 9. Stoeger STR9 Combat SX. Number 9 brings us the Stoeger STR9 Combat SX. And when Stoeger announced they were taking their popular Combat X platform to the next level, I knew this was going to be something special. This Beretta-owned manufacturer has built its reputation on delivering military-grade performance at civilian-friendly prices. And the Combat SX represents their most advanced striker-fired design to date. When I first handled the Combat SX at my local dealer, I was immediately impressed by the premium feel and exceptional build quality. The 5-inch threaded barrel is suppressor-ready and generates impressive velocities while maintaining the reliability that made the original Combat X so popular among law enforcement agencies. What makes this pistol exceptional is the straight grip design with serrated memory pads that promote consistent hand placement and improved accuracy under stress. Pros: suppressor-ready threaded barrel included, premium smoked bronze Cerakote finish, military-grade reliability standards, optics ready without adapters needed, aggressive grip texturing for control. Cons: larger size reduces concealability options, premium pricing over standard models, threaded barrel increases overall length, limited holster compatibility currently, complex sight adjustment procedures. Price: retails for $699. Is this the ultimate duty pistol for civilians? Number 8. Savage Stance XR. Coming in at number 8, we've got the Savage Stance XR. Savage might be known best for their rifles, but their step into the concealed carry world with the Stance line has been steadily building a real following. For 2025, Savage went back to the drawing board and tackled the complaints shooters had about the original model. The result is the XR's same rock-solid reliability, but tuned with features concealed carriers and competition shooters have been asking for. First time I ran this pistol, the trigger stood out. It breaks at 5.5 pounds, super clean, no noticeable creep, and the reset is both tactile and audible, exactly what you want for speed work. The frame's been slimmed down, trimming width without compromising comfort. Interchangeable back straps let you tailor the grip to your hand size. And Savage added a quick-release optics plate system. Mounting a red dot takes minutes, no gunsmith, no permanent mods. Ambi slide catch? runs smooth either side. Optional manual safety? That's there if you like the added peace of mind. Pros: quick release optics plate, interchangeable backstraps, ambidextrous slide catch, multiple finish colors, smooth holster draw profile. Cons: magazine capacity isn't class leading. Price is higher than some rivals. Controls have a bit of a learning curve. Aftermarket support is thin right now. Optional safety can complicate manual of arms. Price: around $700. Number 7. Walther PDP Pro X Parker Mountain Machine. Number 7 is the Walther PDP Pro X Parker Mountain Machine. This one is a textbook case of German precision teaming up with American ingenuity. Walther joined forces with Parker Mountain Machine to answer the demand for compensated pistols, factory-built, reliable, and carry-capable. The big story here is the integral compensator. It's not just a bolt-on gimmick. It's built directly into the slide and barrel assembly. You're looking at a 4-inch slide with an integral comp over a ported barrel, cutting felt recoil by about 30% compared to the standard PDP. Capacity: 18 rounds in the compact, 20 rounds in the full size. And for restricted states, 10-round magazines are available. Gas is vented up and slightly forward kills muzzle rise without punishing the shooter with blast or excess noise. I've pushed this pistol through fast strings of fire, and muzzle control is absolutely dialed in. Follow-up shots stay tight, stay fast. Ergonomics got a bump too. Grip texture locks in without tearing up clothing or skin. Pros: integral compensator with real recoil reduction, improved grip texturing, high-capacity magazine options, Walther performance duty trigger, German build quality. Cons: premium price point. Compensator adds length. Holster compatibility is limited for now. Maintenance is a little more complex. Legal restrictions in certain jurisdictions. Price: suggested retail $9.99. Number 6. Shadow Systems CR920X. At number 6, we've got the Shadow Systems CR920X. Now, Shadow Systems is Texas-built, and their entire reputation comes from one thing: taking proven Glock-style DNA and elevating it with premium machining and smarter engineering. The CR920X is their entry into the micro-compact category, and it's nothing short of impressive. Every line, every cut, every fit, it looks and feels like custom shop work. The slide carries Shadow Systems' signature window cuts, shaving weight without losing strength. The barrel? Match grade, with enhanced rifling that delivers serious precision. I've shot consistent 2-inch groups at 25 yards with good ammo. For a carry pistol that size, that's insane accuracy. Trigger system's been reworked: flat-faced shoe, 4.5-pound brake, crisp reset, zero mush. Magazine release is right where it should be, reloads are quick. Slide stop is accessible without shifting your grip. The frame features aggressive texture, locks your hand down through recoil, but still comfortable for extended range time. And honestly, it's the attention to detail across the board that makes this pistol stand out. Pros: match-grade barrel accuracy, premium machining and finish, optimized trigger with crisp brake, aggressive grip texture, slide window cuts to reduce weight. Cons: price sits higher than competitors. Mag capacity isn't groundbreaking. Texture might be too aggressive for some. Slide design requires more cleaning effort. Color choices are limited. Price: about $800. Number 5. EAA Girsan Witness 2311. Brat sliding into the number 5 spot is the EAA Girsan Witness 2311 Brat. Now, when shooters first heard that a Turkish-built double-stack 1911 was coming to U.S. shelves at a budget-friendly price, plenty of folks rolled their eyes. Could a Turkish import really hang with American custom shops? After running this pistol, the answer is clearer than most expected. This thing flat-out performs. The stainless steel frame and slide are cut with tight machining tolerances. Reliability is there. Accuracy is there. And the trigger? It breaks at 3.5 pounds, no creep, with a short, positive reset that feels like a competition gun. Capacity is 18 rounds of 9mm. That's big league firepower, and it's still surprisingly manageable for concealed carry. The manual of arms stays true to the 1911 system: grip safety, thumb safety, all the layers of control that millions of shooters are already trained on. The match-grade barrel is fully supported, so it runs hot loads without drama. Slide-to-frame fit is tighter than many pistols, twice the price. Front and rear slide serrations grab hard for manipulations, and the beveled mag well makes reloads smooth even when you're under stress. Pros: affordable entry into the 2011 market, match-grade barrel accuracy, double stack, 18-round capacity, familiar 1911 style controls, tight machining tolerances. Cons: some hesitation around Turkish manufacturing, limited aftermarket support, more complex manual of arms than striker fired, higher maintenance needs, heavier weight makes carry tougher. Price: about $1,200. So here's the question: can Turkish engineering actually outshine American craftsmanship in the 2011 world? Number 4. Kimber 2K11. Coming in at number 4 is the Kimber 2K11. Kimber's been known for decades as a top-tier builder of 1911s, so when they announced their own double-stack 2011 platform, the industry knew they were swinging for the fences. And the result? A pistol that blends Kimber's trademark precision with the modern capacity and modularity of a 2011. Every edge and surface has been cut with surgical detail. The stainless steel slide rides on an aluminum frame, balanced perfectly for recoil control and weight distribution. The trigger system is a highlight 3 pounds even, 0 over travel, reset that's lightning fast and crisp. With match ammo, I've seen this pistol hold sub-inch groups at 25 yards. That's competition-level accuracy straight from a production gun. Safety setup is pure 1911 lineage grip safety, thumb safety, ambi controls. Mag capacity is strong, 21 rounds flush fit, 23 with the extended mag. That's serious firepower in a package that, shockingly, can still be concealed. Pros: Kimber's legendary build standards, 3-pound competition trigger, high-capacity magazines, ambidextrous controls, sub-inch accuracy potential. Cons: premium price tag. Maintenance is more involved. Weight adds challenges for daily carry. Holster availability is limited right now. Safety system adds a learning curve for some shooters. Price: right around $3,000. Number 3. Springfield Armory Hellcat Pro Comp OSP. At number 3, we've got the Springfield Armory Hellcat Pro Comp OSP. The Hellcat Pro already carved out a spot as one of the most popular concealed carry pistols in America. Now Springfield has pushed it further by integrating a compensator straight into the design. This isn't an attachment. The comp is machined into the slide and barrel, a single-port system that vents gas upward to tame muzzle rise. No added length, no extra bulk, no compromise on reliability. The first time I shot this pistol, the difference was night and day. Follow-up shots snapped back on target faster, cleaner, and tighter than the standard Hellcat Pro. Capacity is 15+1. Plenty of firepower, slim enough to disappear under a t-shirt. The OSP cut takes Shield RMSC footprint optics without adapters. Co-witness iron sight height makes transitions seamless between dot and irons. And the trigger delivers Springfield's usual clean break, perfect for defensive use. Pros: built-in compensator keeps the gun flat. Same slim footprint as the standard Pro. 15+1 capacity. Optics ready, no plates needed. Maintains broad holster compatibility. Cons: comp system requires more cleaning. Higher price tag compared to standard model. Gas blast noticeable for some shooters. Works best with select ammo types. Added maintenance for the comp port. Price: suggested retail $699. Number 2. Heckler Koch CC9. Runner-up at number 2 is the Heckler Koch CC9. This is HK's biggest move into the U.S. civilian market in their entire history. Why? Because for the first time ever, they've built a micro-compact pistol specifically for the American concealed carry market. And here's the kicker: this isn't an import. The CC9 is being built right here in the States, at HK's brand new Columbus, Georgia facility. That means no more German export restrictions, no more import compromises. This pistol was designed from the ground up for us. First time I held it, The HK quality jumped out instantly. Every line, every cut, every tolerance, it feels like custom shop work. HK didn't just build this gun, they tortured it. Over 750,000 rounds went through during development. And the CC9 cleared NATOA-C225 military standards for reliability and durability. That's as legit as it gets. Pros: HK's world-class German engineering, NATO standard reliability proven in testing, modular chassis design, trigger system that feels tuned, not factory, optics ready with no adapter plates. Cons: premium price, because it's HK, mag capacity isn't groundbreaking. Being a new platform, accessories are limited. Aggressive grip texture can rub skin raw. Takedown is more complex than most micro-compacts. Price: expected around $699. So the question is simple. Is this the most reliable micro-compact ever built? Number 1, SIG Sauer P211 GTO. And finally, at number 1, the crown jewel of May 2025, the SIG Sauer P211 GTO. This pistol is more than just another entry in the 2011 market. It's a straight-up revolution in firearm design. SIG has stepped into competition territory with a 2011 that uses 3D printed compensator technology. That means geometry and gas channeling you literally cannot produce with old-school machining. And the payoff? 30% recoil reduction without giving up a shred of reliability. The build quality is textbook SIG. Stainless steel slide, aluminum grip module, cut with tolerances so tight it feels custom built. The 4.44-inch bull barrel is crowned perfectly, rifling optimized for match ammo, and it consistently produces sub-MOA groups at 25 yards. The trigger is a dream. 2.5 pounds, 0 creep, and the reset is so short it feels like you're snapping against a wall. G10 grips keep the ergonomics locked in. Ambi controls mean lefties, and righties get the same flawless manual of arms. And magazines? 21 round standard, 23 with the extension. All versions ship optics ready. This pistol combines cutting-edge manufacturing with old-school proven mechanics. It's the first time we've seen factory performance on par with what used to take thousands in custom shop work. Pros: breakthrough 3D printed comp system, sub-MOA precision at carry distances, 30% recoil cut, competition-grade trigger, full ambi setup. Cons: price tag is sky high, maintenance is more involved, holster choices are scarce, durability of 3D printed parts is still a question mark, legal headaches in restricted states, price around $5,000. And that wraps up the 10 most insane firearms to drop in May 2025. From the budget-friendly Turkish 2011s to SIG rewriting the future of competition pistols, it's clear this year is already one of the most innovative in firearms history. Manufacturers are pushing boundaries we didn't even know existed. So tell me, which one of these caught your eye? Drop your thoughts down in the comments. I read every single one and use your feedback to pick the next deep dive. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Until next time, keep training, stay sharp, and stay safe out there.